educational gaps in relationship and the detriments of it. Damn, the sun let me look good. Before I continue, follow me here, like, comment, share, subscribe to me on YouTube. So, what is educational gap? And as always, I'm going to just give you my quick definition. You can always look this up yourself. Educational gap in a relationship is when two parties are together and one has vastly more education than the other. And before you go off and get all hypey-tighty, I understand that certification does not equate education. However, sit with me and understand what I'm trying to say to you. Let's say you have someone that did not go past high school, while the other partner went and got their doctorate. That's a massive gap in education, right? More than likely, these two persons will not have much in common in terms of conversations and or income. And again, I understand that some people may not have had their formal education, but they're doing very well, and they have also educated themselves by self-study. I understand that, but stick with me, right? We have all seen these stories where the student or the teaching student was with a taxi operator until she or he graduated from said school and now has a job which pays them well enough. And the moment that happens, they leave. A lot of people tend to mistake that relationship ending because of finances, when the truth be told, some taxi operators are making more than some teachers and some nurses. Finance is not the issue a lot of times. Sometimes it is. But again, remember, we're talking about educational gap in relationships. What is happening? This young lady or young man went out, got their education. They're now educated. They have been around their peers. The conversation is now more elevated. They don't have to explain what photosynthesis means to their partner. They don't, every time they're talking to a co-worker and they're having a conversation that their partner cannot understand, they don't have to feel insecure about it. So yeah, educational gap in relationships and the detriments of it. And again, a lot of people can work around this and it cannot be a problem. But again, we're talking about where it is a problem. And again, I know some people did not complete high school and are vastly more intelligent than those that did do their doctorate. So relax, come on, stay. But hey, those are my thoughts, what are yours? And again, make sure you follow me. Cool?